Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share 3 recipes and all 3 recipes are made from chickpeas. So A to Z from chickpeas. I like chickpeas because they are rich in protein and they are gluten free. So without further ado, let's begin. First I'm going to make this peas and chickpeas falafel. For that I'm taking peas and rinsing it nicely in the water and patting it dry. Doing the same thing for the chickpeas, and I'm gonna save the aquafaba of the chickpeas for later. Cutting some onion and garlic. Adding some all-purpose flour, flaxseed powder, tahini, lemon juice, coriander powder and cumin powder, and finally some cayenne pepper and then salt. Putting them all into a blender and mash it really well to form a smooth consistency. Making small patties and then dusting them with all-purpose flour on both the sides. Now at this point of time you can freeze these patties to use it for later, but I'm going to take some of them and use it right away. So I'm going to take some onto the baking tray and spraying some cooking oil onto it and then directly pop them into the oven. They are done once they are browned like this, and then I'm gonna use these falafels for small tacos, which is coming up next. For this delicious tacos, first I'm gonna prepare my tzatziki sauce. For that I'm gonna take some cucumbers, around so much, and then grinding them into small chunks and draining the excess water. Then I'm taking some dill leaves and then cutting them all into very small pieces. Next I'm taking some Greek yogurt and mixing them all together. At last I'm adding some lemon juice, olive oil, salt and some pepper to finish my sauce. Then it's Mr. Husband's part to assemble everything together. For that he's cutting some onions and some paprika and some tomatoes. Since I do not have the prepped taco shells, I'm going to prepare my taco shells from my tortilla wraps. Next is the fun part of assembling all together. For that I'm using my base tzatziki sauce, cutting my falafels into half and using them and loading them with all the cut veggies, and then finally finishing it with jalapenos. To finish off, I'm gonna make some chocolate mousse. Remember that aquafaba from the chickpeas can which we saved before, so I'm gonna use that aquafaba as a base for my chocolate mousse. I'm gonna boil the aquafaba, and when it is boiling I'm gonna insert some flavored tea. So I'm gonna take here mango lassi tea. You can take even green tea or any tea flavor you like. Once it is boiled, we're gonna take that and gonna beat it really well till it froths and then forms stiff peaks. And when you move the bowl, basically the frothing should not move, it should be of that consistency. So this took me around 7 to 10 minutes. So as you can see here, stiff peaks are getting formed and the froth is not moving. So basically it is done. Now I'm going to take some basic milk chocolate and heating it in the microwave. Then I'm gonna gently mix this chocolate into the mousse. Now I'm gonna be really careful when mixing this because I don't want to lose all the air bubbles trapped in my mousse. I'm gonna leave them in the fridge to set for about 3 to 4 hours. And now it is done, and this was so delicious, and if you like chocolate, I highly recommend to try this recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.